In my day-to-day, I get to see students come in excited to learn, and I get to teach them things that they hadn't even wondered about. It's exciting, it's fun. I get to work with kids and my fellow coworkers, and we just try to make the best learning experience we can.
I wake up every morning wanting to make a difference, and I'm so excited and inspired because I know I can make one child happy just being there, but just playing with them or just talking to them.
95% of my kids, when they walk in through the door, is hugs and smiles. Oh, when they see me, they go, "Miss Christy!" Oh, they get so happy. I hear the parents coming back, and they're just like, "My son told me that their best friend at KinderCare is Miss Christy." They get so excited from just learning from me. Once they go home, they know that I've made them laugh, I made them happy, and that's all that matters to me.